HyFlex mode is an instructional approach designed to give students greater control over their learning and course engagement mode. HyFlex combines the terms hybrid and flexible. HyFlex allows students to choose in-person instruction or online instruction in real time from a remote location. HyFlex is also seen to benefit educators, as they only need to deliver each course once, instead of separate in-person and online versions of the same course. HyFlex includes technologies in the classroom. Now, let's talk about different platforms that is used for feedbacking using HyFlex learning. The first that I need to introduce is the Google Docs. Now the question is, how do I integrate Google Docs in HyFlex learning in my classroom? In my health informatics class in Unit 3, our lesson is about productivity tools, and one of the topic is collaboration tools using Google Docs. This is where my students interact with their classmates and teachers by commenting, replying, and doing the changes. Now, what is Google Docs? Let's first define what it is. Google Docs is a powerful tool for providing feedback and tracking revisions in student writing. It also saves changes in the document in real time and makes them immediately visible to all the collaborators. Students can work together on the same document synchronously during class time, as well as asynchronously outside of the class. It is also best to use this tool during HyFlex modality, where other in-person students can work with their classmates who are attending online. And this is how it works in HyFlex modality. Now in this case, this is a research paper, and I will be sharing this to John as my collaborator and editor at the same time. Now, since we are able to collaborate, the first thing that I need to do is to check on the document whether John was able to already access the document I sent to him. Now, John is already here in the document and we're able to access it. This time, the first thing that we will be doing is to put a comment on the statement. The statement here in other studies conducted. So to put a comment, I click on Add Comment. And I will be typing my comment here in the text field. And my comment is, I want you to state what are the studies being conducted. For example, now, in the side of my groupmate, they will then see the comment I posted. And John will be responding to my comment. So there you go. According to him, this is noted. Automatically, there is an immediate feedback to my groupmate. Then I say thank you. The next would be utilizing audio to respond to a highlighted document or the use of voice typing, which you can directly put your feedback or comment on the statement. Instead of typing the text, there's another way to do it, which is to verbally say what is your comment about the statement. And I prefer to change the font color so that it will be recognized by my groupmate. Now, the next thing to do is I also want to know my groupmates of the things I'll be changing in the document. To do this, let's click the pencil icon and look for suggesting. Now, anything you add is highlighted. Like for example, this one. So I'll type here you start with international experiences, then national or local. So it is being highlighted. And anything you delete will be crossed out. For example, this one and this statement. Okay, so I will be highlighting the statement and I'll click on delete and the statement will be crossed out. Now, as you can see on the document, to the right, there is a suggestion box. Suggestion box will appear where your groupmates can review, reply, comment, and put feedback to the changes you made immediately before it will become permanent. So that is how it works in Google Documents. Now this time, let's get to know to this platform where we can create feedback to a particular quiz or assessment even during HyFlex modality, and that is Google Form. Google Form as an online tools for teaching and learning is an ideal for different learning modality, one of which is HyFlex learning. Teachers opt to use Google Form if they don't have a learning management system. They use it for quizzes and survey. Google Form is a free online tool for Google, which allows users to create forms, do surveys, create quizzes, as well as to collaborate or edit and share the forms with the other people. Now let's take a look on the importance in putting feedback in Google Form. Providing feedback after a Google Form is submitted can help a student prepare for a future assessment by reviewing missed questions or improve their current score if they can retake the assessment. For example, in a HyFlex modality or instruction, you have conducted a formative test to your class to check on the prior knowledge about the topic. By providing feedback right after the question, students will be able to retain their knowledge on what they have get and read from the feedback.